The mobile web app for TopView is very useful. To enable it, you come to the left and you click the mobile web app. You enable this, and by default, it will go to this port, and that's where you want to set things up. Most of these defaults are okay. You can change the way you do the URLs if you want to. A demo of how this looks is on a normal computer, it would come up like this. And what it will do is it gives you these three different columns. At the moment, there are no alarms. If we put an alarm into alarm, then you would see it would actually come
Hey,
up.
stop everything. Lift station wet tool high
And
level
you'll see the
alarm.
alarm come in here. You can also acknowledge this alarm
Hey,
through here.
stop everything. Lift station wet tool high level alarm.
You can come through and see any of the values of any of the currently configured systems, and you'll also see the values that are in alarm will show up in red. You can sort this by group as well, or by rows. Very useful. And all you need is a browser to use this. You don't need any type of application or any type of app in the App Store or anything like this. One of the big advantages to this particular one is that it runs locally on this machine. So if the IT department allows VPN access, which almost all IT departments do, then once you get in with the VPN access, you can pull this up on your phone, or you can pull this up on your remote laptop and look at it. Unlike the major competition for this software, their mobile viewer, it goes through the App Store, through either the iOS App Store or through the Android Play Store. And what that means is it has to feed it out to the internet, and then from the internet, it goes from the internet and feeds those alarms back into the app. Well, that creates most IT departments frown on that and will shut it down frequently, whereas that you don't have to worry about that with the TopView web viewer. So if you want to see how this would look on a phone, I will close this out, and I will show you that on this phone setup, where it will show, this is the way it would look on a phone. So you'll see it's a lot narrower, and you still click the tabs at the top. You can still scroll up and down. The scroll bar wouldn't be here on the phone. You would use your finger to swipe up and down. But you can still go to the alarm history, see all the different functions of the alarm history, and the per point, overtime, all the different alarms. We don't have a lot of alarms right now, but if you came in here and you put in here, negative 24 hours and refreshed it, then you can see you can even get active alarm counts over time, or per point how many alarms it came in. You'll see all the details down here as far as duration, start time. A lot of information that comes in here. You can also see this stuff in the remote viewer as well.